Hey everyone, my name is Nicole, or Buzz Agent XX Polly Pocket. I'm really excited about the Daily Buzz campaign for the SodaStream. I have really wanted one ever since I found out about one. But I've been kind of on the fence, kind of had it in my cart at the store and put it back. And every time I go in the store, I'm like looking at it thinking, I think this will be awesome to have. But I haven't really made that leap into it yet. I don't know why I haven't, but I haven't. Maybe I was waiting for the bus campaign to come along for it. I don't know. Maybe there's fate on my side there. Um, I think it would be great to have one. I mean, okay, for example, you got the soda. It's $4.99 to make 33 cans of soda. Where else are you gonna get 33 cans of soda for $4.99? You can't even get off brand for that. Um, Plus, you've got variety. You've got the waters and energy drinks. I mean, you've got like your whole drinking package there. I mean, you got everything you could possibly want to choose from other than like alcohol and coffee. So, I'm really excited about the variety. I would also like to be a little bit more green, not having all those bottles and cans, which, yes, I could recycle, but I know how my husband is. He's not gonna like take time and separate. He's just not that kind of person. So this way he's doing it subconsciously in a way. I was also just thinking of something that maybe everybody else might not have thought of. Think of all those cans and bottles in your trash, right? Because you're not recycling. You're being bad like I am. Taking up all that room in your trash can, especially when you don't crush them. That means you're wasting more garbage bags. So, that's another thing. Garbage bags aren't cheap either. Um, so the variety, environment, saving money. What else have I left out? I can't think of anything I left out. But I want to say if I get this campaign, I plan to be very buzzy about it. I've already been buzzy just talking about maybe getting into it. Maybe do a follow up video with the Soda Stream. I'm not sure, just ideas. Um, I have I have Twitter, I have Facebook. I have more than one Facebook. I have one that's personal, one for my site. I have a lot of social media and a lot of people online I would like to tell about this. I would like to make a very nice review blog post on my site, which is autumn-rain.net. I want to do a real review of it. So, hopefully this will be creative enough and I'll get in and I will just be so excited that I can't stand myself until I get it. So I hope that I didn't bore you too much and I hope that you enjoyed my video. Bye!